Have you known how the teacher should treat their students? Generally, the teacher should be capable of being the friend of the students. In addition, they should also understand the students' feeling. What will you do if you watch a teacher treat their students improperly? I take this issue because there is a teacher in school at Kediri who treats her student improperly. Let's call this teacher as Miss A. What has she done so that she is regarded doing an improper treatment to her student? Miss A dons a schoolboy's school bill in front of his friend with harsh tone. Why is it treatment viewed as an improper treatment? Let's take a look to this explanation. According to Carlos, the behavior that is considered as improper is called misbehavior. He also classifies the kind of misbehaviors into 5 kinds, and one of them is immorality. It means immorality is form of improper behavior. Moreover, according to Prapto Mubaryadi, he explains in his journal that immorality is viewed as the bad behavior because it doesn't reflect the values of goodness, such as what have been done by Miss A to her schoolboy. It includes the immoral behavior, the improper treatment. As the reader, I disagree if a teacher may don the student's school bill in front of the other students. Why? My biggest reason of disagreeing the teachers may don the student's school bill in front of the other student is because it embarrasses the students. Based on the result of study by the college students of university at Turkey, insulting the student or embarrassing the students is the one of the form of verbal violence. According to Nesbitt and Philpott, as the researcher, the impact of verbal violence on the psychology is creating disappointed feeling, ill will, resentment, difficulty in thinking, and not confident. Some of these impacts have been felt by the victim. The victim becomes very disappointed because the victim doesn't expect if a teacher who is hoped will protect him, instead she embarrasses him. Besides, Zulkifli also writes in his journal that it's very important for the teachers to understand every characteristic of every student because every student has different characteristics. Understanding every character of the students aims to determine the appropriate treatment for every student because we don't know which the shy one who easily feels depressed or the one who is unconcerned about a humiliation. So that to prevent the students feel depressed, the teacher should pay attention to their demeanor. My second reason of disagreeing the teachers may don the student's school bill in front of the other student is because it's improper to treat the student unfairly. Based on some expert statements, unfair treatment can increase chronic health problems, self-reported ill health, psychological distress, depression, and lower life satisfaction. All of these are negative things. That is why the reader disagrees the existence of the teacher's unfair treatment to the students. It does harm the students, so that the teachers need to pay attention to the manner and the condition in executing their duty. In this case is donning the school bill. Besides, announcing someone's file publicly is also an indelicate thing, let alone if a teacher who does it. In brief, the teacher should always pay attention to their steps in treating their students, or else the students will be harmed either physically or psychologically. In other words, embarrassing the students will hamper the process of development in learning and influence the health of the students as the victim. Moreover, the students may feel uncomfortable and unsafe.